Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a classic interview riddle for you to solve. It's the famous water jug puzzle, often used in tech and engineering interviews. The goal isn't just to find the answer, but to showcase your problem-solving skills. So, can you measure out exactly 4 liters using a 5-liter and a 3-liter jar? Remember, you can only fill, pour, or empty the jars, no guessing. Take a moment to think it through, then check out the solution. First, fill the 5-liter jar completely. Next, pour from the 5-liter jar into the 3-liter jar until it's full. Now, empty the 3-liter jar and pour the remaining 2 liters from the 5-liter jar into it. Refill the 5-liter jar, then pour into the 3-liter jar until it's full again. You'll be left with exactly 4 liters in the 5-liter jar. Want more riddles? Like, share, and subscribe for more challenges. Thanks for watching.